Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fabulous week. In this week's video, I'll be showing you how I style my fall winter outfits and giving you some tips and tricks to make you look effortlessly put together. Before I go into the video of stylings and giving you some tips and tricks, I just want to say thank you to VIVAIA for sending me 3 gorgeous pair of shoes to help elevate my outfits. I've known this brand for way before they reached out to me because I've actually tried to buy with them before, but I gaslit myself to fit in the shoe size because the shoe size that was actually my shoe size was out of stock, but I wanted it so bad that I actually bought it and it didn't work out, so I had to return it. I think 37.5 is good, just slightly big in case I wear like socks. VIVAIA shoe store just opened in Sydney and it's always packed. Like, I kid you not, every time I go there, 20,000 people in there. And the shoes that I want are always out of stock. But I think I manifested this, or the cookies on my laptop are tracking me because I'm always on their page. Anyways, my point is that if you're currently looking for shoes that are comfortable, timeless design, and also eco-friendly, VIVAIA would be a great addition to your wardrobe. So if you are interested in getting your hands on these shoes, I have a discount code, DIA, actually just my name, DIYA, and I'll put it in my description box below as well. But before that, let me just give you a few reasons why you need to have a hand on these gorgeous shoes. VIVAIA shoes are made from approximately 6 recycled plastic water bottles per pair. As of June 2025, the brand has recycled over 33.6 million bottles, transforming plastic waste into wearable fashion. The name VIVAIA actually tells the brand story. The double V and A reflect the diversity and versatility of their design, and the double I represents the plastic bottles they recycle. VIVAIA uses cutting-edge 3D knit technology to turn recycled plastic into breathable, stretchy, super comfortable yarn, which they spin into stylish, durable shoes. Some of their ranges, like the Margot Mary Janes, are machine washable, so don't stress about getting your nude shoes a little dirty.
You can wash it in the washing machine?
Yeah. Shoes that I received from them includes, the first one is the Regina Pro boots, which are water repellent and come with a detachable leg warmer, perfect for those chilly winter days. These boots have socks-like fit that even Oprah Winfrey loves for their comfort and style. The second and third pair is the Margot Mary Jane. This is the one that I've been looking for in store for the past half a year. I think the reason why it's out of stock is because my size is like a 37 and most people's feet size are 37. But look at these, they are so gorgeous. I just love the pop-up color here. A few features that is unique to this range. A roomy square toe for both of it. Adjustable straps right here. You can adjust to any where you want it here, you can adjust it whatever you want. And bonus point for this color is that it's gold, and I'm a gold girly, so it matches my aesthetic. And then the most important thing is that it will be super comfortable because I can just see how much it bends, and you can keep it easily for travel purposes as well. This is definitely coming to my Europe trip with me next year. And there are padded heels right here, so it is guaranteed that it wouldn't hurt your heels. I think the unique thing about VIVAIA, where you know that it is VIVAIA brand right away, is the style and the texture of the shoes. It is super unique to the brand, and that is what I love and like about this brand. Let's go get started on how to style these gorgeous shoes. We're gonna start styling with our Regina Pro boots. The shape of the heel is super chic. I feel like I really love the square heel. So the first outfit is brown tone. This top is like a top that I feel like everyone should have in a closet because it's something that you can pair with a lot of things. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to like brunch with your friends. So it also has an attachment at the back. I have some jewelries as well. Belt. Belt always elevates your outfit. So the reason why I chose this pants, you see this is two-tone color and it matches my pants perfectly. So let's try it on together. Really love the boots. It looks very cohesive together. Isn't this such a cute look? I'm gonna transform this outfit into a different outfit in 2 seconds because I'm gonna use this to make this boots a high boots. But because it's cold and it's getting cold, I'm gonna also use the leg warmer in this. So let me show you the second outfit with this outfit. This is on the bottom and outside. Pop your Regina Pro in. Yeah, I love it. Okay, let's see how it looks. This is gonna be something that I'll be wearing tonight actually, go out for dinner. Okay, let me show you the next few outfits that we can pair it with these boots, but we're gonna go fast. Yeah, we're gonna go Simple go-to work outfit. I think that's like a trend recently on TikTok where I think it's called go see outfits but work edition. So what I usually wear is just any top with my dark jeans bottom and a big belt. And we're gonna pair it with boots because this pants is super long and it always looks super chic with boots. If it's super cold outside, then I would throw on a jacket. It could be a leather jacket, a fur jacket, more brown, bigger jacket, a coat. I'm thinking of going more neutral color tone. So if you're more of a neutral girly, I think these shoes look good with it. I got this top from Uniqlo, so it's a wool blend, super warm. This pants. In my glasses. I got this for Kmart for $9. Honestly, so cute. Look at my laptop, it's like a blue light lens. So this is the full outfit, let me show you. Super cute. The reason why this outfit works perfectly is because I use the rule of color blocking where I made sure that this top goes with my blue color. It creates those harmony together. It can be any top. For example, if this top is in pink color, this outfit would also work if the shoe is in pink. So you create those color blocking together and make it look very effortlessly nice. If you wanted to add more patterns, you can swap your top off with more pattern tops. On to the next. After I show you how to style more neutral color tones, the next outfit that I want to show you is adding a bit of pop of color in your outfit. This is a very easy trick to make your outfit a bit more interesting and a bit more unexpected. We're gonna style this bright red color and I'll show you a simple and easy way to put together this look. Let's go. This outfit is gonna be super easy to put together because if you have white top, tan t-shirt, or white jeans, you can make this outfit. I'm just gonna use the same jacket that I used in the previous one. Outfit is super plain right now. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it's just like nothing interesting. Add on this pop of color. It's a bit more interesting and has a bit more unexpected factor to it when you add a pop of color. Alternatively, you can also do all black as well. Let me show you. Here, in all black, this is like my mic is right there. This is my go-to office outfit. I just top with a turtleneck, a blazer, a belt right here to snatch my waist, creates a more balanced silhouette so you can see my waist. And guys, it's not only about the outfit, it's the accessory as well. So to tie everything together, I added this cute red bow to match with my red shoes. On to the next. This would be something I would wear maybe like going out to a cafe or something with my friend. So I'm gonna pair the same turtleneck top, leather shorts. Shorts, and you'll be like, Daya, it's gonna be freaking cold. But usually I would wear a leg warmer in black, but it doesn't go with this outfit. So I would suggest buying like a leg warmer in nude. Usually I would just get it from Temu or something. But this outfit is super pop-up color again, but I think adding this cute socks with Mary Jane is super cute. It's more summery, but I think pairing it with all black and a pop of red and white. It's also pretty cute and chic. And this outfit can also be worn with the boots. So let me show you. So guys, that's all the outfit I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to use my discount code again, DAYA, my name, Daya. I'll put the code under my description box as well. But if you have any question about styling tips or you like this kind of video, please comment below and let me know and I'll do more of it. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!